Alright, so today we're working on a Saturn Vue. A friend of mine's daughter had a minor fender bender in it. Most of the damage was in the center of the bumper, so it pulled the frame rails in towards each other mostly. And we tried to bend them out already, hooking it to a telephone pole outside, and just couldn't quite get it far enough to be able to bolt the new bumper bar on. So we got it inside and we got it hooked up here to one of my posts there and one of my posts there. So I got these trammel points set for the right width for the bolt holes, and this is how far off we are right now. So I just got to get it to go that far, and then we can bolt the front bumper on and finish putting this thing back together. To take it further than it needs to go because it'll relax back some. Close. Almost make it work. Boom! That's it. I knew it wouldn't take too much. Now we can unhook her and start putting it back together. Woohoo! So the front crash bar fits now, but we do have a few parts we got to pick up before we can finish putting it together. Because the alternator plug broke out of the back of the alternator where the fan hit it. And on the side over here, right here, there's supposed to be a resistor that's for the daytime running lights that's busted. And the front clip that he got, it was busted on that one too, so we're going to have to pick up a new one. So that's about as far as we can take it for right now. We get a few more parts, we can finish putting it together.